You know how every Disney video starts with rules? Wake up early, rope drop, stack rides, don't waste time. But what if that's not the day you remember? What if you had one perfect Disney day? No rules, no guilt, not the smartest, not the most efficient, just the one you'd actually enjoy. I'm Lee with All About the Duck. And for me, that day doesn't start with an alarm going off in the dark. I'm not waking up and immediately grabbing my phone to see what I can win today. I wake up at a Disney resort, and honestly, that's already most of it. You can hear the buses, you hear people heading out early, there's music somewhere in the background. I'm a morning person, I'll be up early. But instead of rushing, I just sit there for a second. Coffee first, quiet first. If my Disney day starts with stress, it's already the wrong day. And I'm not picking a park because it's the best plan. I'm picking it because it feels right that morning. Maybe it's EPCOT, just to wonder and see where I end up. Maybe it's Magic Kingdom, with absolutely no plan beyond let's walk. No zigzagging, no power walking, no, okay, if we hurry. I'm not trying to beat Disney. I just want to be in it. By the middle of the day, this is where people usually start stressing out. This is where I slow down even more. I'm taking a long lunch, like sitting at Nomad Lounge on a deck right by the water. A couple of small plates, maybe the churros if they've got them, something cold to drink, no rush. Boats going by, people walking past like they're late for something important. Or over at Epcot, Spice Road table outside, great views, sharing a few dishes, maybe the hummus fries, something light, a drink that feels like vacation instead of survival. Nothing fancy, nothing scheduled, just sitting somewhere shady with no destination at all. And I'll just watch families speed walking past like they've got an appointment they absolutely cannot miss. And I'm thinking, yeah, I'm good right here. I'll ride something if it's nearby, not because the wait time is short. And honestly, some of my favorite Disney memories came from doing absolutely nothing productive. No headliners, no must do's, just being there. And then the evening hits, and this becomes my favorite part of the whole day. The light starts to change, the park sounds different. Everything just slows down a little. This is when I'll ride that one evening ride that just feels completely different at night. Maybe it's Big Thunder Mountain, catching fireworks out the corner of your eye while you're flying through the dark, thinking, yeah, this is the time to ride it. Or maybe it's the people mover, just gliding along, lights below you, Tomorrowland humming in the background, not trying to do anything except take it in. And sometimes it's not even a ride, it's just walking through Pandora at night, everything glowing, the sounds, the air feeling different. It doesn't feel like a theme park anymore, it feels like you're somewhere else. The lights come on, you smell popcorn, you realize no one's really rushing now. This is the stuff people remember when they get home, and almost nobody plans for it. I don't think Disney is better when you stop optimizing, and I don't think it's worse either. It's just different. When you stop trying to squeeze every last thing into the day, you notice stuff you usually walk right past. The music, the little moments, how the park actually feels instead of how fast you're moving through it. You stop worrying about what you're missing and you start enjoying what you're already doing. And sometimes a great Disney day doesn't end with your feet completely destroyed. And sometimes, especially on a vacation, that's exactly what you want. Not the most rides, not the perfect plan, just the day that actually feels good when you're in it. So let me ask you, if you had one perfect Disney day, no rules, no guilt, what does that day look like for you? Tell me in the comments. I really want to know. And if you enjoyed this kind of Disney conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, see you real soon.